Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate, practicing Delhi Court as well in Supreme Court of India. Generally, people comes to me and asks about that we are not happy together and we want to stay separately and we want to take divorce. What kind of divorce we should take, and what will be happen to our kids? And the wife have question what whether she will get lifetime maintenance or not. So these are the questions we generally ask, and the husband is worried about whether the wife will get right in property, where whether he will get the right to meet his kids or not, because they have spent number of years together, and because of so many differences, they are not able to cope, and they want to resettle in their life. So that very situation, embarrassing situation, arise for them. So I generally advise them if they are willingly happily and they don't want to go for number of cases like that wife should file a number of cases against husband, for example dowry matter, domestic violence act, maintenance act, and husband file against wife divorce case, or kids adoption act, so many other things is section 9 of HMA. So where they should go. So I generally advise them, if they are both are want to withdraw from their marriage contract and want to live happily, they can go for mutual divorce. That is section 13B of HMA. And in that divorce, they can file an agreement where they can decide their terms and condition. Number one, uh, their lifetime maintenance for wife, what amount the husband is ready to pay her, because she is now withdrawing herself from number of cases where she can get relax and money for her lifetime maintenance for herself, for her kids, like maintenance case, domestic violence case, dowry case, where she get all the rights. So whatever the dowry is spent by, and the money spent by the wife during the tenure of the marriage, so generally the husband calculate the amount and he gives a lump sum amount, total amount to the wife. So number one is lifetime maintenance to wife, and number two, whether the kids have right in his property or not. If the is giving the right, generally the kids have right in father husband's father's property, means grandpa's property, the kids have right. So that has to be decided. And number three, father generally want to meet the kid maybe in once in a week, where he can meet his kids in school, at home, in park. So they have to decide the venue and time also. And they take mutual divorce, and after that they always write that wife will not file any kind of criminal nor civil case against husband, and husband also feel that he will not interfere in wife's personal matter, and both are free to get remarried again without any burden and force. And whatever the agreement decided, that is in front of the panchayat, their family members sit, wife side and husband side, and they are willingly agree, then they sign on the agreement, and after that they go in the concerned court and take mutual divorce. Generally in mutual divorce it takes 1 year is required, but when they have decided all the necessary agreement, made the necessary agreement, and they decided the terms and condition also, and agree to that they will not disturb in their matrimonial life, so the court want and can give the divorce on a first or second date also. Generally it takes 6 month time. In first motion, the statement of the wife as well as husband recorded, and whatever the husband want to pay to the wife, he will give the 50% amount by draft, not by check, because check can be bounced also. So he give the amount by draft, and that all the details are mentioned in the court while giving their statement. And second motion, both the parties again present and the front of judge, and honorable judge ask them whether they are willing to take the divorce or they still want to rethink. When they both are agree, then judge give them grant them divorce under section 13B of HMA. So this is the easiest way where both party can comfortably settle their matter amicably without any burden and force, and for that they have not to give other type of fees number of fees to the lawyer, and they will save themselves from unnecessary time, litigation, and other harassment or torture. Thank you so much. If you like my information, very productive. My number is 9818277131. You can feel free to talk to me anytime with your intimation. Thank you so much of life.